Welcome back everyone to Pontus Fathom Hobbies. This is our unboxing review video of the next expansion in our growing Terraforming Mars collection. I know Terraforming Mars has been out there for a long time, but it's pretty much new to this channel. So we've been playing some Terraforming Mars and looking forward to jumping into some of these expansions. This one is Terraforming Mars Venus Next, and again, I want to kind of frame these in the scale of, when you look at this box next to, say, the Prelude to Terraforming Mars, it seems like, it's a big box game, right? But then if you put it next to the Terraforming Mars box, right, you start to really see that there's some marketing going on here. But yeah, anyway, Venus Next is a colonizing the clouds, taming the furnace below. Is a cover art. We'll take a look here. It says, Terraforming Mars Venus Next. Venus might just be the deadliest world in the solar system, but it has potential up among the corrosive clouds far away from the scorching hot surface. Humans have begun colonizing and terraforming. Your corporation has a good opportunity to make a name for itself, build flying cities, shade off the sun to lessen the greenhouse effect, and introduce life to this planet, and let Venus help you terraform Mars. So this is where Venus is helping us. Venus Next lets you terraform Mars and place new cities in the inner solar system. So this is the next expansion we're going to jump into. We will have a quick word from our sponsor, and then we'll jump into unboxing this. I also did not bag these cards, so we're going to bag the cards quickly after our words from our sponsor. So thanks for watching, and we'll be right back. Pontus Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can check out the Genealogy of Cthulhu, Hermeticism, Hastur, Necromancy of Nyarlathotep, also our Cat 2 journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, collecting all 6 volumes. Deep dive into the rise of AI with the Artificial Psychology of Desiring Machines trilogy, also available in our hardcover. We've also got our Pontus Fathom podcast series where we discuss topics like the esoteric dragon mysteries, esoteric Saturn mysteries, and our collected alchemy and anthroposophy in the Dune Saga. Our special sponsor is Nereus Media. We've got the Trump trilogy with the Reign of Trump, Tower of Trump, and the God Emperor Trump. And lastly, our newest offering, the Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamland Saga. Each volume takes place in another city of Lovecraft's dreamlands. Aimless in Cellophase, Hope's Home in Dalathleen, and Stubborn Devotions with the Temple of Hypnos in Forgotten Thrawn. Now back to our channel. And as always, thanks for visiting our bookstore. Check out our sister channel. I'm going to do a quick fast forward through this card sleeving, and we'll jump into the unboxing. Okay, so let's take a look at the cards. So we get a whole stack of Venus Next cards that we can go through. Additional indicator. We got the Venus Next kind of proof of purchase here, and we also have some new corporations. Viron, Morningstar Incorporated, Manutech, Celestic, and Aphrodite. So some new corporations. I got our instructions, and we also have 2 awards. We've got the Hoverlord and the Venophile award. And we got the Venus Playboard. So it looks like we can, with the Venus Playboard, create some additional cities like Luna Metropolis, Stratopolis, Maxwell Base, and Dawn City. We've also got our 30% and standard project for air scraping. Let's check out the Venus Next rules. On the Venus board, players are offered a 4th global parameter, the Venus scale. On the cards, it simply refers to Venus. Because Venus is being a more long-term project, the scale only goes from Venus being 0 to 30% terraformed. It offers more opportunities to get terraform ratings, bonus steps, and other global parameters. Okay, so basically, as we terraform Venus up to 30% maximum, we actually get more benefits for terraforming Mars. cards that affect requirements such as adaptation, technology, special design, and inventrix also affect Venus requirements. So let's check those cards out. Got a bunch of new cards here. Venusian plants, Venusian insects, animals, way station, soils, Venus governor, magnetizer, water to Venus, Atlanta Planitia lab, air scraping, terraforming contracts, sulfur eating bacteria, Stratopolis. So this is one of those cities, right? I guess we just place a token there for those cities. Sponsored academies, spin induction asteroid, Omnicourt, orbital reflector, rotator impacts. Yeah, these Venus specific ones are kind of cool. Check this out. It's got the Venus plants. Requires Venus 16%. Raise Venus one step. Add one microbe or another card to another Venus card. Start the biosphere in earnest. We've got Venusian insects. Has to have it 12. So we got 12, 16%. Venusian animals at 18%. Venusian way station. Venusian magnetizer at 10%. Interesting. Thermophiles, Venus at 6%. Interesting, cool. Luna Metropolis, another one of the cities we can form. Increase your ME production, one step for each Earth tag you have, including this. Yeah, so I think, is this the... So, guys, let me know in the comments, would you play Terraforming Mars with the Venus as just a standard add-on? Would you do this before adding in Prelude? Would you do this before Colonies? Let me know. So, yeah, so that's going to do it for our Venus Next. I'll put these all back. And like I mentioned before, if you guys check out the channel, we've got tons of gameplay out there for not only for Terraforming Mars, but we have Eldritch Horror, Joan of Arc, Battlestar Galactica, and Battlestar Galactica Starship Battles, A Song of Ice and Fire. We got tons of miniature painting out there. We do Dune Imperium, Dune Gale Force 9, Twilight Imperium. Go check them out. We'll be adding some more Terraforming Mars gameplay into the channel. So if you leave us a message what you'd like to see us play, like and subscribe. If you ring the bell, you'll get notified when we do the next gameplay. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.